So, at this point, my £450 run me out. Because I now I go link up my brethren. If you see me could stay over for the night. Start burn a fire upon the man and his wife throw me out too. And say me for go back to my woman yard. So, out again in the snow. Cold! People, a two road me have in front of me right now. It's either you eat meat or snow kill you. I say, boy, I make snow kill me. So me, the out in a snow, me I tell my people, me feel like I dead, me I go dead. Me say, Lord God. But me now come a foreign come dead. You see me, so, me see say me feel I one day. So me I say, boy, come on like me I have to go home back. Me I tell you. Funny way I go, me feel like me I go drop down dead. But only thing me could have made and my brethren who say my help me out.